Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin with fast, essential checks. Flip the ring/silent switch and raise volume. Some games mute when the switch is set to silent. Next, look at Bluetooth. If a paired headset or speaker is connected, the game will route audio there. Disconnect it so the iPhone speaker takes over. Once done, force close the game and restart the phone. This clears temporary audio routing problems and reloads the app's audio engine so you can proceed to deeper fixes. Now dive into the app and system settings. Open the game's audio menu and toggle music, effects, and voice off then on. That forces the game to reinitialize its sound channels. Make sure system routing sends audio to speaker. Settings to accessibility to touch, then call audio routing to speaker helps in some titles that reuse audio APIs. If problems persist, update iOS and the app. Reinstall the game to replace potentially corrupted audio assets, so the app can rebuild clean audio caches. For final remedies, reset all settings when routing or codec conflicts persist. This preserves data while restoring sound-related settings to defaults. Make sure to test other games and system sounds. If only one game fails, it's likely an app issue, but if all audio is dead, suspect hardware. If nothing helps, contact Apple support or the game's developer, explain what you tried, and include crash reports or device logs when possible.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.